Now in this video, now let's start the subtraction of a rational number. Clear? So last class we have discussed subtraction of a rational number. Let's solve one example for the rational number when the denominators are equal. Clear? So like 5 by 7 minus 4 by 7. So in this what we will do, here the denominators are same, so 7, and here in numerator you will write 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 7, and this is the answer. It is very simple, it is very easy also. Next one, when the denominators are unequal. Clear? So in this case what will you do? Yes, like minus 3 minus 4 by 7. So here we can write minus 3 by 1 minus 4 by 7. Now the LCM of 7 and 1 is what? 7. So in this also first we will write LCM 7 and we will make the denominator same, because you know how to do it and you find it very easy also. So just make this denominator same. So for making the denominator same, what we will do? We will multiply 1 with 7 to get LCM 7, and here also what? 7. In numerator also 7. Clear? Then here minus 4 by 7. 7 into 1. Here also 1. So it will become what? Minus 21 by 7 minus what? Here 4 by 7. Now the denominators are what? Same or different? It is same, very easy. So now 7 minus 21 minus 4, and minus 21 minus 4 is equal to what? Yes, minus 25. Because when the sign is same, then we do addition and we put with sign. The sign with the greater number. Clear? So here 21 is greater, and with 21 which sign is here? Minus sign. So we will put a minus sign. This is the answer. Clear to all of you? Yes. Now one more, when the denominators are different. Clear? Like 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5. So again first take out the LCM. So LCM will be what? 20. Now we will write 3 by 4, and in denominator with 4 which number you will multiply so that you get 20? So 5. In numerator also 5. So 5 3s are 15 by 20. Clear? Here you got it. Then minus what? Here 2 by 5, and which number you will multiply to get 24? So numerator, denominator you multiply 4, and what you get here? 8. 8 by 20. Now write according to the question, 15 by 20 minus 8 by 20, and so 20 as a denominator, 15 minus 8 is what? 7 by 20 is the answer. Clear? 7 by 20. Now next, the sum of two rational number is minus 4. Clear? The question is sum of two rational number is minus 4. If one of them is minus 13 by 25, find the other. Okay? So what we'll do? Let the other number be x. Clear? Let the other number be x. Okay? So now according to the question, just make a equation. So sum of two rational number is minus 4. If one of them is minus 30 by 25, is the other number? We don't know. The other number is x. Means we can write x plus what we have to add? Minus 13 by 25, and the sum of these two numbers is what? Minus 4. So x will be equal to what? Minus 4, and this whole will come where? This whole will come this side. Side change, sign change. Clear? Side change, what? Sign change. So here this is minus. This side when it will come, it will become plus. So 13 by 25. Here as a denominator you can write 1. Now the LCM is what? 25. So now again make the denominator same. How will you make the denominator same? How will you make it? Minus 4 by 1. With 1 you will multiply 25. You will get 25. Then in numerator also 25 plus 13 by 25 into 1. Here also 1. Then only you will get denominator 25. Now minus 4 into 25 is what? Minus 100. And here 25 plus 13 by what? 25. So here now LCM simply 25 and minus 100 plus 13. And this is equal to what? Minus 87 by 25. Because when minus and plus both the sign is here, we do subtraction. And which sign we put here? Now sign with the greater number. So with the greater number, minus is here, so minus 87. Clear? This will be the answer. Now next is what should be added? What should be added to minus 5 by 9 to get minus 5 by 6? Clear? So let the required number be x. Clear? First, here you will start. Let the required, because in this type of question you have to suppose that the number is x. The number which is not given is x. So let the required number be x. Clear? Now according to the question, form a equation here. Clear? So what should be added to? So in place of what you write what? X. So what should be added to minus 5 by 9? So x should be added to minus 5 by 9. Clear? As I am doing, you please do. You will find it very easy. What should be added? So x should be added to minus 5 by 9 to get. To get means what? Answer. So after equal to sign we write. So minus 5 by 6. Now x, when you solve it, you will get minus 5 by 9 is equal to minus 5 by 6. Clear? Now side chain, sign chain, I have discussed earlier also. So we have to find out the value of what here? X. So x remain here and this whole will come this side. So first what is here, that you write. What is here, that you write. And then you write the number that is coming. Which number is coming this side? Minus 5 by 9. It will become what? Plus 5 by 9. Now find the LCM of 6 and 9. And LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. Clear? So minus 5 by 6. Okay. X is equal to minus 5 by 6. With 6, which number you will multiply so that you get 18? So 3. Then in numerator also 3. Again plus 5 by 9. With 9, which number you will multiply to get 18? 2. Here also 2. So now solve it. Minus 15 by 18 plus 10 by 18. So how now we can do? You know how to solve when the when the denominators are same. So 18 here, minus 15 plus 10. Minus 15 plus 10 is equal to what? Minus 5 by 18. And this is your answer. It's not difficult. It's very easy. So let's do one more question. What should be subtracted? What should be subtracted? What should be subtracted from minus 5 by 6 to get 1? Clear? Again, this type of question we have discussed that simply you write let the required number be x. again according to the question frame a formula, frame a equation. What should be subtracted from? From means what? In subtraction we write the number from which we have to subtract. First we write that number. So from minus 5 by 6. So first you write minus 5 by 6. Then what should be subtracted? We don't know. This what means what? What means x. Clear? What means what? X here. So minus. Subtracted from means subtraction sign minus x. To get means this is the answer. This should be the answer. So here to get 1. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of what? X. So let this minus x be here. Clear? 1, let it be this side, and shift this minus 5 by 6 this side. So side change, sign change. This minus 5 by 6 will become what? Plus 5 by 6. Now here also put 1. Nothing is there means 1 you can put in the denominator. Now LCM is what? LCM is 6. So 6 here. Clear? So what we can do? We can, this don't do now. This you do 1 by 1 into 6. Here also 6 plus 5 by 6 into 1. Here also 1. So here it will be what? What you will get here? Minus 6 by 6 plus 5 by 6. So denominators are what? Same. So 6 you write here, and here you will write what? 6 plus 5. Clear? So 6 plus 5 is 11 by 6. Clear? So minus x is 11 by 6. Everywhere also you can write minus x, minus x, minus x, so that you don't forget that not only x is here, minus x is here. So everywhere you write minus x. So but we have to find out the value of x, not minus x. So for that x here, and this minus we will write with the minus 11 by 6. Clear? It's okay. And this is the answer. So x is equal to minus 11 by 6. I hope like this you can do. So please do it. Okay. Till then, have a nice day.